Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Europa. So when it comes to extraterrestrial life in solar system, everyone is focused on planet Mars. But after planet Mars, possibility and probability of microbial life uh, uh, is somewhere in Jovian moons. And Europa is one of the top candidates. Europa, let me remind you, Europa is Jupiter's moon. So Europa is smallest of the four Galilean moons orbiting Jupiter, and sixth closest to the planet of all the 95 known moons of Jupiter. It is slightly smaller than Earth's moon and made of silicate rock and has waterized crust and probably an iron-nickel core. It has very thin atmosphere composed primarily of oxygen. Its geologically young white beach surface and is traced by light turn cracks and streaks with a very few impact craters. So overall, it's 779 million kilometers from Earth, so pretty far away. It does not get enough sunlight there to support life, obviously, but because of tidal forces from Jupiter, from Jupiter's gravity, it is heating up. And underneath, under this rock silicate surface, there is water, and it might be in liquid condition and not ice. So it will be good place, and it will be habitable area for some sort of like microbial life. So next candidate of crewed mission after planet Mars is obviously Europa. So we created a video like artist's impression. You can see this video running behind me. It is just year 2100, let's assume, and Americans land on Europa. You can see Jupiter, you can see its sun, you can see that Jupiter is much bigger than Sun, and it's cryovolcano. You can see cryovolcano, which is pretty much water volcano, which is coming out and reaching surface. So that was all today. And remember, Europa is one of the candidates of microbial extraterrestrial life after planet Mars. Thank you.